ma la karun wang chai nyor kadung din media ka changa wal dio ka pai warau karon kin dang rau de jandang rau de diech agan mak bangun gok bay nong la to kon la nong yen chang kadung din media ka tilat karon de region of Sudan kana win mo na do dien an wala ka changa wal dio ka pai warau dung din media barai ka lar menen kon ka ling kon kume jinu Sudan lar malar kume jinu Sudan ko chi ka ta tripartite agreement mulun ne dang diok bulot port Sudan kenya la ke jub agreement mo kan ni chama da kan ku yo yol fil bad me ja kap adam tre ko na ba ko nung yen ne be zot mi che je na mo u che to tala to rai de tala agreement me a chop ne dang diok ka tala agreement me ba chop ne dang diok about oil field so ko na lor ne yen liang ko la liang ne ko dung din media me mi ran jo me jap linge ya like be share ko tung wan be ko le chop ne ko le ko tung no ran me information mi che je na me ko le ja chop ka wa dar ling ko no ku me jino chane nen ke ko nin dia le chi ko raj man minister of information na tan wek yala ro ku me jino Sudan ni chi ka agreement ka port Sudan ka nyala about oil field so yero to kono ya to ko ko ne ga wen ko chi ka agree ko oil field ba pal da matre ko gwa ko kan be wotin ku me jino Sudan bolo dotin bolo lo ku me jino Sudan ka ne port Sudan tin bolo agree about how the oil will flow araje mo asabta lar ga jino Sudan na wajan ta le rode min chi ma to she to ke ma to Corona to South Sudan, I mean, Corona to Sudan is a civil war. It's a political war. Jala do record to North, can do record to West. We learn about all this. Chanaga Ling, Guam Bar, Kontan, let come course with our. So today, La Ling Corner, you know, when on Koro Wenyaga Sudan, can a chop cow or border, very close like the way we see it today, Kijinova Sudan. Chatuak chow oil field ke gli chaka badamatre. So that capture of oil field chakume University Sudan man mo weak government. Kume weak. Metel guwe, metel pos. Metel guwe muku border ke, magangke, muku sharper attack. So che caught in the middle. Che ngagdar wijamar ke kume Sudan, neka port Sudan. Border me be je bangar damatre ka tele forced to stop damatre. Then the weak thing they choose our choose no one and big take allies ka damatre that they will try damatre ko ne Ling we support you they mo ka sanction ka Sudan then you operate ka border but bene come oil field as a condition. So they don't know that Damasre cannot buy this cheap condition. Only the Arable, whether not South Sudan or whether Logoje, they will operate South Sudan by force. So Mashawan Nuga Damasre an idea by Damasre cherry jack. Total cherry jack. Shall I go con we don't know about a joint operation? Oil field, a territory of Sudan. Get no control oil field get no Sudan, including English. So Michaka by Pinya Gume Sudan, La Sudan Armed Post. Now take under Damasre. So Mulu no more tell argument with the thing. Chakum South Sudan Joe will be a chongu dudun. So we are a friend telecom problem. But oil field telecom agreement thing. So this is what happened. Janta aji to my own can let you come Damasre. So immediately ngor ka kan la to ga do la Damasre ji bom me ngaya Ling ja to ji draw na ji ga ben oil field cha bom kan. So ma ya bom cha na ga Ling ga za le ke manu cha na ko kume University Sudan che ka South Sudan Defense Force cha na tin. So no the last meeting come Damasre can South Sudan Armed Post. So mechi South Sudan pause me lunka territory of South Sudan. As we see all the pictures to konen konge ngot ge je chi wulu ngo jal ne ko oil fiel na pol nang na makal kol na munu. So that was the first day. We can make a bombing, make a network, make a disagreement, make a network come in Kadamatri. So they come back, they are now in territory of South Sudan. Chigataka glitch. Then Damatri glitch. That means the question of what will happen next, glitch. A come Sudan and Daro. A Kume Menana to Port Sudan, and a Damatri. But begin glitch without South Sudan. Tell agreement, Michigan bind together. That we can say, oh, now, right corner, oil field and South Sudan, Kamangu, Kale together in the oil field, no. So, when you go on an area like a Kume, South Sudan, and we take a tripartite agreement, the question of what will you with it? Nay, Angakananga, can take a can parties represent on that agreement, more than Taramukuja answer. Tell a general. We know the okay, Ekai. Tell agreement. If we talk of the conflict under Sudan, now Ling anyone goes to Sudan or Yena Sudan because it was far from our border. Only now, Jana Jago even border on. So, my border on there, Ramkuyo Mataraga Sudan when Mataraga Yen political war, Chawaka civil war. Chigala do good in Chigala do west, can I do north? Mulunu was the center of all this problem, a political influence, economics influence a country. At the economic source, the Sudan Daro, oil field, one of them is glitch, the top. Mulunu, you control the glitch, you control the engine of the economy, the Sudan. So that is the only thing we should understand. Go rapid support force and watch English check up. Nobody, maybe a threat, a poke there, a siasa, a whatever. Their core, be your particularly do. Tell go no care to walk, tell agreement we are mat, which our you'll feel me a come so Sudan kaje. A rapid support force. No. And if you think of this, Angala beneficiary montana in this situation, in case we rapid support force, a lot of a yen call your field. In South Sudan, the oil field, one negotiate in Sudan about the flowing of oil. Allah agreement who is a beneficiary? We are nobody accept Adamasre. Tell you, South Sudan just caught in the middle, a third position, wrong. Ally she choose. Go to Lelong, she feel threatened. Tell her go to the other country. They join Damatre, we don't come to our territory. Well, I don't know we do. So Jaga threat, she Damatre, Yago push, go about Chimakan, Bagak Sabakan, Bagalat. Like what we see today. So, Munu over the other. Continue on and narrow like a more Kubi Sudan, take a tripartite agreement. You go into it with Tanya Wing, time Pino. And what was the contents? And fine, for how long it will last? Kadamatri, Angam, who represent that time. Oh, you cannot talk of the telephone call. That we cannot say to telephone call is a lot. So the only thing that is happening today, we just allow your field of Sudan is completely stopped. The Chong. So Chabuk, take a destruction, oil field, and that destruction will be increased. Go in oil field. The feeling of oil, but take remedies, that oil will continue flowing. Tell you, Rajmi. Kono, Chab University of Sudan cannot be confused. It takes a tripartite agreement, we are time, we tell content, we tell reference, tell chong, we tell personalities to participate, we tell location, we tell anything, like a bang, it's a time. So the only thing we know today is oil field is strong, and we wait for the developments, what will happen next. Development will determine Kurna and Sudan. Course Sudan will last for years, the oil will be for years to operate. Even after the course Sudan also need more maintenance. They don't want to go land. So let us let us not be fooled. There is nothing called tripartite agreement. We are chopping 3 parties about English. But South Sudan is struggling with its own problem, that is economic problem. What will happen next? Relief the development in the country. Very short episode about English. Media. Shukran.